Okay, I'm going to Costa Rica. We leave tomorrow, bright and early, and I want to guys take you on a trip. I'm not usually on the side of the camera, so it's gonna be a little bit weird. I'm usually the cameraman, so I don't really like being filmed, but I thought I'd make this video for y'all. Holy, bro, this is crazy.
We're gonna be staying here for a while.
This is where I'm staying for a week. This is crazy.
Wait, where are you going?
Holy.
Are they more stacks? They're just gonna be working with us.
Boom. Where I'm staying. These are the rooms. Bro, this is actually crazy. Like, I can't. Oh, there's more. Holy.
We're gonna have to get this sleeping situation figured out because Jared, we don't have any of that.
I like it.
I'm good, thank you.
Yeah, we're exploring our place now. This place is actually insane.
I know, it's so fun. You can finally feel it.
Yeah, I'll show you around. This place actually is insane, man. It's like, looking at the gimbal. Yeah, this place is actually insane. So pretty. Okay, so we had 3 waterfalls today plus a beach. So that's 4 things total we did today. First waterfall, we jumped off, swam around a little bit. Second waterfall, was just like a swimming area. It was really pretty, really pretty. Like probably one of the prettiest things I've ever seen. Then we went to the beach. We had fruit. They celebrated my birthday and other people's birthdays that are on the trip. And the third one was like a natural water slide, and then we like jumped off a platform and stuff. Super fun. Yeah, I'll let you to the video.
How you feel? Good. Go ahead, Pura Vida.
Okay guys, so we just got back from jumping, and now we're on to our second.
You remember how it's gonna be the second waterfall?
Our second jump or whatever. Our second waterfall out of 3. And we're gonna go to the beach.
I'm gonna pick some monk equipment with your
a whole bunch of other stuff. Okay, so we just
I have spray, but I'm gonna wait until we're
got done with the second spot. We swam and we got pictures at the waterfall. So yeah. Okay, so this thing, I think my camera thing was working, but now it's not. So I think I broke it. But oh, those are actually stronger waves than I thought. A lot stronger waves. But yeah. A lot stronger than you'd think. camera does not do it justice. I know they say like, holy crap. They always say like the camera never does it justice. It never does. The camera actually does not do this justice. It's crazy what I'm saying here. But yeah, these waves actually massive. Like over there, probably like 10-foot waves crashing in right now. It's actually crazy. But yeah, this thing is broken. Say some water got on it and started tweaking.
Gotcha. Yeah, you're good.
Okay, so we just got back from the third activity. It was a water slide, basically like a natural water slide, and like bridge jumping, basically. Super fun. I got some videos. Yeah, but yeah, this place is just beautiful. Just like from my window. Just, yeah. Can't believe I'm actually here. Okay, so after the third waterfall, we went to lunch, which was so good. I'm pretty sure I got some pictures. I'll put them in if we did, if I didn't. I just know it was super good. I got some shrimp tacos, amazing. And then we came home. We drove home. It was about a 45-minute drive home from all the waterfalls and stuff. And then we came home, got ready for dinner, and then we had a private chef come in, cooked us an amazing meal. I'll throw some pictures up.
You have all the cards in the meter?
Okay, I hope you guys liked the video. Day 2 is most likely coming out tomorrow. If you like the video, please like and subscribe, and always hit the bell icon, and come back for tomorrow.